everyone, today we are going to unbox grill, toaster, press, 2DX, okay, whatever. So this is like the griller machine where we toast a sandwich. Before we had that toaster where, the vertical toaster kind of thing, where we click the button and bread would pop up. But that got corrupted, so we bought this. It is 800 watt non-stick coated grill coat, and it has 1.5 year of warranty. It came with this warranty card and the manual how to use it, and we have unpacked it. Other than that, I don't think there is anything else. Okay, so we bought it for 2300. Like, it was for 2600, but we bought it for 2300. And there was another one, uh, another toaster which was from Borosel, and that was of 2000, but that didn't had that lining of the grill. It was plain, so we bought this one. So it looks like this, and it has lining to it, while Borosil one doesn't have lining on it. And we preheated it, greased it, and now we're making sandwiches. Now we're gonna close it. This green light is off when preheating is already done. So first you have to preheat this after plugging in. So when the green light goes off, you can put the sandwiches inside. Now green light is on, so we can open it. See how quick it was. See the crispiness. And we have to use wooden spatula to take it out. We cannot use steel stuff. This is from the other side. So yeah, that was it.